these crusty lips. Hey everybody, welcome back to another Jordyn video. So today we are doing emergency middle school kit. So we all go school shopping to buy our school supplies and everything we need. But we also have to remember to go school shopping for emergency kit items because you never know what can happen. So I'm going to show you what's in my 6th grade emergency kit that will keep you protected in any circumstance. So here's the bag that it's in. It's from Sit Republic and it's like mermaid scale. It's super pretty because it's holographic, so any way you turn it in light it looks rainbow. And then the top is pink and we got some pink accents here and there. But let's see what's inside it. It's really bulky. So here what it looks like in the inside. It is super jam-packed because you gotta be prepared for anything that happens throughout the day because you never know what happens. Surprise. So the first essential is going to be a charger. You might be thinking, I don't know if you are, but you might be thinking, why do you need a charger? But if you have a cell phone or any device and you're getting picked up from school, you have to call one of your parent or guardian and your phone is dead, what are you gonna do? You can't do anything. Gotta ask the school, hey, I need to do this, blah, blah, blah. But if you bring a charger, you can charge it, then it will turn on, and then you can call your parents. Easy as that. So make sure you have a charger in your emergency kit. You know what I need? You need cough drops. The next item is cough drops. You have to make sure you have cough drops because sometimes it can just happen randomly and you start getting this cough. Or you know that you're a little bit sick, so you pack them because they can soothe your throat and stop some coughing. So make sure you put some cough drops in. Gross! Next thing you need to clean up all the gunk and mess is some tissues. Tissues, excuse me, you don't really have to explain that much, but you need it to wipe your nose. So you've been sneezing everywhere and now you have boogers everywhere and that's germs. Ew! So you're gonna need some hand sanitizer to get rid of 99.99% of germs. Cleaning. Hand sanitizer is good for really a lot of things. If you have boogers on your hands, you can wipe your hands off with the tissue and put some hand sanitizer on. If you touch something sticky, this would work. Or if you just touch something plain gross, it would work for anything, especially if you're on the go. So you're going to be working out, getting those muscles so strong. And you start to sweat and you start to get stinky, especially your armpit area. So what are you gonna need? Need some deodorant. I like to get the Travis size deodorant and not the big bottles because first of all, it might not fit in your bag, and second of all, you won't need that much. So just spray, and you will smell good. And this would help throughout the school day for sure. So after that deodorant, you might want to smell a little bit better and not just like, what, deodorant? So how about some perfume? I would advise the stick perfume or a perfume you can just rub on and rub because if you do spray perfume, some people are over dramatic or some people just don't like the smell of perfume or allergic to perfume, I don't know, and they will be like, start freaking out. So I would advise a stick perfume so it's easier and smells good. These lips are crusty. What do I need? Who I'm gonna call? Lip stick or chapstick. So you're gonna need chapstick throughout the day. I know I for sure do because my lips get chapped really fast, like right now. But chapstick will help you throughout the day and it's definitely something you have to have in your emergency kit because nobody wants these crusty lips. It doesn't even feel good. I should know. So if you have been using hand sanitizer and washing your hands throughout the day, you should. your hands are gonna get kind of dry, and just like you don't want crusty lips, you don't want crusty hands. So make sure to bring some lotion. Lotion can really help with your hands, your elbows, your knees, everything. So lotion, you want lotion in your bag. We stand a moisturized clean, not a dry one, moisturize. You're going throughout your day, and then your period happens. So you gotta make sure to have pads. And bring an extra one or two, because you never know, the next girl might need one too. And we gotta help another girl out, but pads. Don't wanna be having period all over the place. So speaking of not wanting your period everywhere, bring an extra pair of underwear, because sometimes you might not get your pad on in time and it might leak through. So make sure to bring an extra pair. So you're at lunch, chillaxing, scrumption. You start drinking your fruit punch and no! Dun, dun, dun. You have a stain on your brand new shirt. But you know what's gonna be good? An instant stain remover. So you always seem to get a stain on the day you wear something that's your favorite or something that's new, but then never get a stain when you're wearing something that's like ugly and you don't care about. But if you get something that's a stain on something that's new, get a to-go stick. This is a type to-go stick, and if you can't find these, there's different instant stain removers you can get. But all you have to do is kind of just draw on it and get rid of the stain. And especially, you don't want to go home with your new clothes that have a big old red pink stain on it, and your mom's going to get mad at you, and it's not going to be good. So make sure you pack one of these. So now you have your period, and you have a headache too, and cramps, and it's not good. So make sure to bring some headache and pain and cramp medicine to make it all like soothe. Sometimes it doesn't all go away, but sometimes it does soothe the pain a little bit, and it's not so extreme. So this would definitely help you out. These kids are so annoying right now. I just want to be in my zone. Get some headphones. Headphones are great for at lunch or after school or sometimes before school, depending on what you do. So headphones are perfect because it can just get you in the zone, and you don't have to listen to like loud banging, eating, kids talking, stuff you don't want to listen to. So these are perfect, but don't get them tangled up like I did. They're not going to be nice. I don't have any more money. What am I going to do? Make sure to bring some money, because sometimes your mom forgets to refill your food account, or you have a club after school and you want to buy a snack but you don't have anything. So make sure to just bring some extra dollar bills, yeah, for you or for a friend. Dollar bills, yeah. The dollar bills. No. P.U. So, say it's after lunch and your breath stinks because of something you ate, or you didn't brush your teeth, I don't know. But you might need some gum, but be careful because lots of kids are gonna ask to have some gum. Hey, can I have some gum? A little piece, tiny piece, just a tad bit. Be careful for those people can't contain my hair, my long, luscious hair. What am I gonna do? Who am I gonna call? I use this joke, but you gotta call hair ties. Have some hair ties at all times, 2, 3, 4, doesn't matter how many you need, because sometimes you have to go to PE, but you wanted your hair down that day, but you have to put it up for PE if you don't like it. So a hair tie is a good way to keep it contained. So you're in class, working away, doing your work. Ow! Now you got a paper clip and it's bleeding. But you don't have to worry because you have a Band-Aid. Band-Aids can come in handy because we really never know when we're gonna get a cut. Sometimes we're bleeding and we notice it like, what, 10 minutes later? But put a Band-Aid on that sucker and it's okay. Say you're rushing and going through your periods or classes and you get to one of your classes and you don't have a pencil or a pen. So make sure to bring some extra ones just to keep in handy, just in case you lose it, like I said. Or sometimes your friend needs a pen or a pencil, but then don't bring like fancy pens or fancy pencils and give it to them because you might not get it back. So if you wear glasses like me, they sometimes get smudged. So you want to bring some lens white to clean them. So that was everything in my 6th grade emergency kit. I tried to think of any scenario that could go wrong and throw something that could help it in there, just because I want to be prepared and I like feeling prepared for everything. So I hope this helped you to get some ideas of what to put in your 6th grade emergency kit, and tell me if I missed some things. I would really like to know. It would help me out for sure. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to all that fun stuff. All that fun stuff. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye! Love you! Mwah. Hey guys, if you're still here, thanks. It mean a lot to me.